In this video I'll go over 6 steps you can take to fix your PrizePicks withdrawal having failed. First is to check your identity verification. PrizePicks requires full KYC verification before withdrawals. Make sure you have submitted and passed verification. If not, go to Profile, Account and then verify identity. Next, go to match the withdrawal method to the deposit method. Many times PrizePicks requires withdrawals to go back to the same method you used to deposit for compliance. If that method is no longer available, you may need to add a new method and contact support. But for example, if you deposited using PayPal, go and try also withdrawing with PayPal. Next, go and check the minimums and limits. So the minimum withdrawal is usually around $10, but this varies by method, and some methods have maximum limits per transaction. Larger amounts may need to be split. Then next, check payment method issues. So for your bank account, make sure your account and routing numbers are correct. For PayPal, it must be verified and match your PrizePicks account name, and for card withdrawals, not all cards support withdrawals. Next, for location and compliance, you must be in a legal US state or Canadian province where PrizePicks operates. If PrizePicks detects you try to play or withdraw from a restricted location, the request can fail. And finally, what you can do is contact PrizePicks support. If all looks fine and it still fails, open the app and then go to your profile, help and then contact support. Then explain the issue, so include the withdrawal method and amount, and support may reset the method or manually push the withdrawal. So that's how you can fix your withdrawal being failed on PrizePicks. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.